Library Tutorials. Today I'll be showing you how to take user input in Java using the scanner class. If you want to follow along, I'll be using the IntelliJ IDEA compiler. But if you don't have that, you can also use the free website called repl.it.com, where you can use a free programming environment. The links for both will be in the description. So I have a new Java project created. So the first thing I'm going to do is click this arrow here, go to the source folder, right click it, go to new Java class. Then I'm going to name it. And now we created a new class in Java. If you're using repl.it, you can just skip this step and it'll just create it for you. So now we have a public class called tutorial, and we're going to go inside the curly brackets and hit enter, and we'll set up the main method. Also, if you're in repl.it, you don't have to do this. So in public static void main parentheses string square braces and then args, then curly brackets and enter. And now for the IntelliJ IDE compiler, you can click run, and tutorial to make sure we have no errors. And it'll pop up in this menu down here. So we haven't done anything yet, so you won't actually get any results. But now we have our public void. So to take user input, we have to import what's called a scanner class. So you'll type in scanner, it's a capital S, and that'll call the class, and then you have to name it something. I'm just going to call it scan, then put a space, and then you're saying the scanner class is equal to this name, is equal to new scanner parentheses system.in, and you'll put a semicolon on the back. Now for most compilers, you can just hover over the underlined scanner and click import class. If you're using the repl.it, you're just going to have to paste this in at the top above the public class. So you'll do import java.util.scanner and a semicolon, and that'll import the class. So far we have imported the class, this top line, and then we have created the scanner object in this line. So we say scanner, which calls upon the class scan, so we named what we're calling this specific object, is equal to new scanner system.in, and that's what we use to create the scanner. So now we're going to try something. So we're going to prompt the user for something. So we'll do system.out.println, and this is what you use to send text out to the user. We'll type enter your name. So then when we run this, it'll put out here into your name, and it'll just end the program, and you can't actually type anything. So to fix that, right after that, you can do scan.next line, and that'll scan to the next line. So if you do that, I'll run a program, and you can actually type. And then that doesn't really do anything, so you can just type now, but it won't actually save it. So we'll type it. So now we need to assign that to a variable. So we'll type string name is equal to scan.nextLine. So that'll assign the name will assign the next thing we type. And that'll be a string. So if we run that, let's enter your name. And then it'll take the user input and store it under name. So now to just make sure it's working, we're going to output the name again. So we'll do system.out.print line, parentheses, and we'll just type in name. And it should, after we're done typing our name, output the name. Enter your name, and we'll enter the name back out. So now you can do things with this name. So you can do system.out.print line, and if you want, you can add some text. Say hello, and then you'll do plus name, and that should say hello, whatever your name is. So I type my name, it'll say hello. So that is how to take user input in Java. If you enjoyed the video or learned something, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.